uncover the game-changing impact of drones in agriculture. We delve into a captivating challenge that perfectly demonstrates the incredible need of this innovative technology. LANDWERX, a DefenseWorks innovation hub, is a non-profit organization propelling the swift discovery, engagement, and promotion of cutting-edge solutions for modern agriculture. They are collaborating with Landus for a collaboration event to identify needs and define requirements on drones and aerial imaging for agricultural use. Their goal was to drive superior decision-making for farmers and agricultural producers. If you're wondering why drones and aerial imagery are essential for the agricultural sector, these technologies improve awareness of in-field conditions. Users generate predictive insights to optimize operations and production outcomes in agricultural landscapes. Why should anyone participate in such an event? It's a chance to understand problems, match technologies, network, and form partnerships. In summary, the collaboration between LANDWERX and Landus exhibited the potential of drone tech in agriculture. It displayed how aerial imaging and remote sensing can offer useful data for better decision-making in the sector. It emphasized the significance of teamwork and knowing technological abilities to fulfill consumer requirements. The future of is here, and it's high-tech, efficient, and incredibly exciting. The future of agriculture is LANDWERX.